Hello guys! Welcome to the second video about our trip to Leavenworth, one of the best towns to enjoy the Christmas season. In this video, we'll show you how we got there from Seattle and checked out the Snoqualmie Falls along the way. Stay with us until the end to see the amazing sights and sounds of this Bavarian-style winter wonderland. We started our journey in Seattle, where we spent the day enjoying the open spaces, hitting small trails, and checking out the Snowflake Parade in Bellevue downtown. If you missed our first video, you can find the link in the description or click on the top corner to watch it. According to Google Maps, there are two best ways to get from Seattle to Leavenworth, using the I-90 or the US 2. We chose the US 2 because it was more scenic. We had to drive through the mountains, past small towns, over bridges, and across the Stevens Pass. We'll share our experience and tips for driving on these roads at the end of the video. Our first stop was Snoqualmie Falls, a 268-foot waterfall that is one of Washington's most popular scenic attractions. It's also known internationally for its appearance in the cult TV series Twin Peaks. More than 1.5 million visitors come to the falls every year, and we were lucky to be among them. We parked just in front of the visitor center, which cost $7 for 2 hours and $5 for each additional hour. The weather was not very cooperative, though. It was windy and rainy, but we didn't let that stop us from exploring the area. I went for a walk around the park, which has a 2-acre size and a gift shop. I saw a pedestrian bridge that crossed the same route where we arrived. From there, I could see the Salish Lodge and Spa, a luxury hotel that overlooks the waterfall. It's also a sacred place for the Snoqualmie people, who have lived in the valley for centuries and consider the falls as the source of their culture and spirituality. At the end of the bridge, there was another parking area, which I believe was free. So, if you want to avoid paying for parking, you can park there and walk to the other side using the bridge. It's pretty close. This is the front of the Salish Lodge and Spa. It had some Christmas decorations with a tree and other ornaments. It looked very cozy and inviting, especially with the views of the waterfall. Okay, So now we're going to check out the waterfall.
No drone flying around. Okay.
And here we are.
Hey.
Wow! Very impressive. It was not crowded at all. I think the weather helped us with that. I almost had the place for myself. There were multiple viewpoints to admire the waterfall. It was wheelchair accessible, but not to all points. There were stairs to move around. Check out the wind. It was very intense. It made the spray of the waterfall even more spectacular. This is the last point that you can access and see the Snoqualmie Falls. It's a sight to behold. Because it was raining, my wife stayed with my son in the gift shop. So I decided to check out the trail that leads to the river. I found multiple places where you can have a snack or picnic. The nature here is beautiful. It reminded me of Alaska's woods. I couldn't reach the end. The rain got stronger, and I had to go back. I'd really like to get to the end, but Mother Nature did not allow me. Besides, we wanted to get to Leavenworth before it got dark. In the meantime, my son and wife explored the gift shop and grabbed some coffee and donuts. The gift shop had what you'd expect in these places, a lot of souvenirs and information about the place. Here we are on the road again, heading to our final destination. The rain did not stop during the whole trip, so we had to be extra careful. There were various announcements about icy road conditions, and they were true. When we crossed the Stevens Pass, the road was covered with ice and snow. We rented an all-wheel drive car, and we recommend anyone doing the same to go for a car like that, or even better, maybe a more off-road capable vehicle, like a Jeep or similar. Luckily, we did not have any issues and we did not see any accidents on the road. That's it for today's video. We're almost there. Stay tuned for the next one, where we'll show you Leavenworth, a charming town that transforms into a Christmas village every year. You don't want to miss it. Until next time. Bye!